Today we got a video from Police Relief, and the title of the video is "When You're Too Drunk to Realize You're Sleeping in the Middle of an Intersection." Wow, that's crazy. Let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about.
It's not really about what you want.
It's not about what I want.
Nope, not even a little bit. Walk inside, or we'll walk you inside.
On the morning of March 23, 2025, officers responded to a report of a woman found asleep behind the wheel at an intersection.
Is he in? Let me take a picture first. I can't see anything.
Are you contacted with, you have your e-brake on?
Yeah, I have my park. I'm in park.
I throw my e-brake on, give it a little bit of contact. All right, well.
Ready? Okay.
Let's open, go and open. Hey, are you okay? Police department, hey. Hey, you're okay? Yeah. We're just really worried about you.
Roll down your window.
Can you open the door for my partner to your left? Ma'am, don't drive away.
She about to take off?
Can you open the driver's side?
Hey, ma'am.
Yeah.
Go ahead and roll down your window, please. Go ahead and shut the car off. Shut the car off, please.
Do you need medical attention, ma'am? Can you shut your car off, please?
Please turn the car off.
Okay, keep going.
Yep. Leave the gear shift alone. Just turn the key off. No, put it in park.
I am.
Put it in park now.
Can you wait for a second?
No, I can't. Put it in park. Don't move.
I'm not.
Okay, step out of the vehicle.
Whoa, why are you doing that?
Step out of the vehicle.
Why are you doing
To
that?
keep everybody safe. You're in the middle of an intersection right
I
now.
understand that.
Okay, come on out.
Why
Come on out or I'm going to take you out. Leave the keys alone. Leave the keys alone.
No.
Come on out. Come on.
Oh, why are you grabbing me?
Come on out.
I am.
Come on out.
Why are you grabbing me?
All right. Can't follow simple instructions.
Why are you grabbing me?
Stop.
Whoa. Why are you grabbing me?
You're being detained right now, okay?
Why?
Because you're slumped over at the
No,
road
I'm
and
not.
you're not
I'm-
following commands.
I am. He told me to put the thing on the.
Tiana, are you having a medical condition?
Yeah, I have it. Yes.
What do you have?
Yeah.
Like why you passed out?
Because yes, I am.
What kind of medical condition?
I got PTSD. I got PTSD. I got, what's the other one that they always say? Anxiety. That's what she goes. I got PTSD and I got anxiety. That's why I'm passed out.
Is it drinking or medical?
No, it's medical.
Okay, for what condition can I tell fire? What medical condition can I tell them?
No, it's okay.
Can you let me go?
As soon as you tell me why you're asleep in the middle of an intersection.
You almost got hit by a car driving past.
No, I have vertigo. No, I don't. I have vertigo.
What's up, you want fire, come check it. Now we'll do some SFSCs. 328.
You willing to do some SFSTs for us?
No, I have vertigo and I have a. Can you let me go, please?
None of that would affect your ability to do SFSTs.
Yes, it is. I have sleep apnea and I have vertigo.
Oh, yeah. Again, none of that affects SFSTs.
Yes, it does.
It really doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
How does it affect your ability to do SFSTs?
The SFSC's like
Do we want you
in my
to
balance.
Yep.
Yeah.
What about your
because-
eyes? Do you have issues with your eyes?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What issue?
Because I have a in my left eye.
Okay.
What are you talking about? And I have vertigo and I have in my left eye.
What is all that? Puke, maybe? I don't know, but her ID's in there, so we'll see.
Show up on your car? Okay. Let's walk her over to my car for now, I guess. She's not willing to do SFSTs. Okay.
So my partner's in a first speed right now. Last chance. Is there anything that can stick us?
I have nothing on me. No,
Okay,
I
I'm just asking. Okay, so you are under arrest now.
That's fine.
Alright, just gotta let you know. Back up. Alright, could you take a seat for me?
Yeah.
Read the Miranda rights.
Good, go for it.
You think that is a Topo Chico? That's what it looks like.
So tinted, I can't. My flashlight doesn't even go through it.
Use a phone trick, but my flashlight's just bright enough. Do you understand these rights that I've explained to you? That's just a question, yes or no.
That's not my car.
Do you understand? Do I need to read the Miranda rights again for you?
I just want my stuff. Can I get my purse?
Do you understand the Miranda rights I just read to you?
No, I don't.
You don't? Would you like me to read them again?
Oh. You asked me about my medical conditions. I told you about them. And then you sit here and you want to ask me additional questions.
I'm just asking you if you understand the Miranda rights I read
No,
you.
I don't.
You don't? Okay, I'll read them again to you if you'd
I
like.
don't understand.
We'll read them again.
I'll read them again for you,
I
okay?
don't understand.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
No.
It's not the
I'm
RS.
sorry, what?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I've read them to you twice.
Does Tiana want to do voluntary field sobriety tests?
No.
Okay. For now, we're going to move you over here since you said that you might have a medical condition. Then,
I do have multiple medical
okay.
conditions.
Is that why you're passed out?
You asked me. Yes, I have vertigo. And I explained that to you when you asked me.
Super dangerous to drive with. So we're going to pull you over to this parking lot. And just for safety, at your recommendation, we're going to have fire come check you out. But if you haven't been drinking, would you be willing to do some field sobriety tests?
I'm not doing anything. I need to go.
Okay, but you're not. You're under arrest. You fell asleep in the middle of an intersection, which is super dangerous and not okay. So we're going to have fire come take a look at you.
I don't care.
But we believe that. Do you believe that you are
No,
intoxicated?
I don't. Just stop asking me questions.
I can't ask you questions. I'm a police
I
officer.
don't care.
And you're asleep in the middle of my intersection.
I don't care.
Obviously, you don't care, but I'm still asking you. So, no field sobriety tests? Can we check your eyes since you have vertigo and everything? Can I take a look at your eyes?
Look at people's eyes for.
Tell if you've been drinking or not by looking at your
people's
eyes.
eyes for vertigo.
I know, but I can tell if you've been
No,
drinking.
you can't.
I
No, you
can.
can't. No, you can't.
So, no field
There was
sobriety
a
tests?
white man. There was a white man.
So, would you like to deal with the black officer then?
No.
Would that be better for you?
It doesn't. No.
Okay.
He's not black.
So, can I look
He's
at your
not
eyes?
African.
So, no?
No.
Okay, well, you're going to jail today. And we're going to.
Why does everything got to turn into a race thing? If I was a white guy, well, okay, well, we got a black officer here. Okay, would you like to speak with him? Oh no, I don't want to talk. I used to get that all the time when I was a CO, man. Inmates used to come up to you, you know what I'm saying? You know, when I gotta do what I gotta do, you know what I mean? When you gotta, you know, get them to act right, you know? Oh, you a brother, you supposed to be, what? I'm doing my job, man. I wouldn't have to do anything if you would just follow instructions. Like, you know what I'm saying? We gotta keep it real here. We gotta keep it blunt. It's always, oh, you brother, you that, like, come on, man. You not my brother. You not blood. You ain't come from my mama and daddy. We is not brothers. What is you talking about here? I don't know you from a can of paint. Oh, if I was a white man, well, we got a black officer. Would you like to deal with him? Even though the cops shouldn't even have to do that, you know what I'm saying? But I do get it sometimes, you know, speaking to your own kind is like they could talk certain ways to, you know what I mean? But the outcome is still the same. You still going to jail. You still probably getting charged with DUI. None of that is going to change whether it's a white officer or a black officer. You ain't getting out of this.
Impound your car.
That's not my car.
Too bad.
All right.
We're going over here for a fire eval. Let's just double check everything.
You said you didn't want to talk or answer any questions. Why do you want to ask questions now? You're not going to the hospital. You're going to be seen by fire. You can't breathe. But you're talking to me.
Oh, brother.
I will
breathe.
call an
Shocker.
attorney for you unless you have one of your own. You could give me a number. If you can't breathe, then you also can't talk. Okay, well, the fire department has what they need to take care of that for you, okay? Hang tight. She's telling me that she can't breathe, and she has an attorney that she's going to call, and that I am required to take her to a hospital. So, sharing that information. She also said that you're not black.
Oh.
That's a completely random statement. I know. All right, Letitia, come on out. Do you need help getting out?
My name is Tiana.
Oh, sorry, Tiana.
Letitia's my sister. That's her.
Oh.
Her.
Okay. Oh, that's her car?
Yeah, that's why I said,
Got
why
it.
are you guys towing it? It's her car, not mine.
Okay, no worries. So you're Tiana? All right, come on out. You need a minute, or
God.
I gotta get you in the room where it's warmer.
I have a lot of health conditions.
I understand, and you were just checked out by phone.
No, they don't understand.
Okay. Let's get you inside, and if we need to do another medical eval,
It sound like Buddy ready to work.
come on,
That
come on
boy
out.
barking. He ready to get to work. She better act right before they have to send boy out there.
Tiana, I need you to use your feet.
Doggy officer ready to work.
Let's get you inside where it's a little warmer.
I have a lot of health conditions.
I understand.
No, you don't understand
Take your
because
other foot
my
out.
balance and the health conditions I told you guys I have.
Okay.
You can see you
may
got
not
health
take it serious, but I'm telling you I have them.
I don't have any reason not to believe you, okay?
I know, but I'm not Letitia. I'm Tiana.
Tiana, yes, I know.
Letitia doesn't have those
Why don't you
issues,
kick-
but I do.
kick
I'm
that foot
going
out.
to do that.
Okay.
But I'm letting you know,
I heard what you said, okay?
like, I'm iron deficient. I have academic problems. I have meclizine, despite what you guys want to acknowledge or not. I'm telling you guys of serious medical conditions.
Okay.
And I'm not Letitia. I'm Tiana. Letitia's healthy and has no problem.
I understand. Ready? All right, let's go towards the door.
Wait, where's my purse?
I got your purse in my trunk, okay? You don't need that right now.
No, bring my stuff with me.
I will bring it in, okay?
No, want
I have
my
to bring
stuff
you
with
in
me.
first. I have to
I
bring
want
you.
my stuff to come with me.
I will bring it in after I bring you in, okay? Come
I want my
on.
stuff with me.
I understand, but I'm not going to open my trunk right now until I get you in a secure place.
No, I want my
Come
stuff
on,
to
please
with
come
me.
on.
No, I don't. Why? No, I don't want my stuff to be separated from me. You can grab my stuff with
It's
me.
not, okay, right now it's in securely locked in my vehicle, okay? No one else is going to get in there except me. Come on, let's go.
No, I want my stuff.
You're
to
not
come
an
with
exception
me
to this
inside.
process,
It's not
okay?
about an exception.
You're not going to be an exception
I
to
don't
this
feel
process.
safe with you taking my stuff.
Okay,
separate
then
away
I'll
from
ask
me.
somebody else.
It doesn't feel right. It feels like I don't
No,
care.
don't ask nobody
That's
else,
my
man.
right.
Drag her ass
That's
in there,
it.
man. Drag her
What
ass
was
in
the
there,
point
man.
of grabbing it out of the car if we weren't going to
What's up
bring it
with
in
you?
with me when I go inside?
You're being difficult for no reason
No,
right
I'm
now.
not being
Yeah, you are.
difficult. If you were a woman, you would understand. I actually
I understand
grabbed my
completely.
things and to pull up my shirt. What the fuck? My are out all the way.
Yep.
I'm just asking you to bring
Okay.
pull up my
So
shirt.
Deanna doesn't want to come in without me grabbing her stuff first. I told her that I would happily grab her stuff
I
and
also
secure it in my
asked-
trunk.
No, you
She's
didn't
just
say
being
that.
difficult.
You didn't say that. I asked him to
I
grab
just
my
need you to go
things, and
inside,
also asked
okay?
him to pull my shirt up too, please.
Okay, we're gonna
Can
have
you
to have you
zip
go
up
inside.
my
real quick.
shirt, please?
I'm not gonna zip up your shirt.
What do you mean?
I'm not gonna
exposed.
reach
It's
in that
gonna
area.
zip. It's gonna unzip when I go inside. It's gonna unzip.
You're just gonna go ahead and sit down. We can go ahead and find us something to throw over the top of you,
I'll
okay?
put a foot cuff on you, and you can use your hands.
And your
to do
hands will be
yourself.
free in a
A
minute.
foot cuff.
Yeah, we put a
Wait,
leg
why would you
iron.
put a foot cuff on me?
Stop. Listen.
What do you mean
We're-
stop?
I mean
what?
stop.
I'm not doing anything.
You're talking, and I'm gonna try to
You're
explain and
telling me
answer
to
your
stop
questions.
talking?
I am
didn't-
telling you to stop
I was
talking.
quiet before you came out here.
You want to hear how this is going to work in your benefit, or you want to just keep talking?
I
So
haven't
what's going to
said
happen is we'll go ahead and
anything
put
until you
an
came
ankle cuff on you and get you out of the handcuffs, and then we'll process you. You can zip yourself up, but once we do that. Questions?
I just want my bag to come inside.
We don't
when
want
I
your bag to come inside. We're going inside, then we're leaving again. It's not really about what you want.
It's not about what I want.
Nope, not
If
even a
you
little
grabbed
bit.
my stuff outside of
No,
the car.
walk inside,
when
or
I
we'll
came
walk you inside.
You can bring
Which
it
one would you
in
prefer?
inside When I came inside.
Walk you inside it is. All right, go ahead and walk, okay?
Don't be aggressive. You guys are weird.
You could have just walked on your own,
Oh,
but you didn't want to do what we said to you
no,
this
you
point,
guys
right?
want a reason to be aggressive with a black woman.
No, we want you to listen, and you don't want to listen.
I'm not doing anything.
You're very much not listening.
No, I'm not.
You are?
I'm not your child.
You're kind of acting like
No,
one.
I'm not. I literally
the
said
window.
what I said.
I got her. Go
You
and get
guys
yourself
grabbed
on.
my things.
And we said no.
All right. Need a couple practice breaths. Breathe in. Let me know when you're ready. Deep breath. More.
There you go. Blow. Watch the line, watch the line, watch the line. Keep that blue line up. Keep the blue line up. You gotta fill up the whole gray bar. Keep it higher. You gotta blow more, blow more, blow more. More. Perfect.
Good job.
All right, you can take it again.
You got it. You just saved yourself a couple hours from a hospital visit. So 0.08 is the legal limit. You blew a 0.12.
The woman was charged with DUI.
Unbelievable, man. These officers, I don't know what's been going on lately, but I feel like the past couple of videos I did, man, these officers, just like the lady in the park, it's like, damn, do they got some backbone? Like, y'all doing too much talking. The suspects are controlling the situation entirely too much. Come on. We're not grabbing your bag. Let's go. You don't want to go? Drag her ass in there. Fuck, what are we talking about here? There's nothing to talk about. There's nothing to talk about. This ain't a debate. None of that. They need to grow some. Some of these officers need to grow some balls, man. Like, or get out the field. Get out the field. You cannot be that passive like that. Like, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have some compassion and sympathy and be kind when you need to be. But when people are being difficult and stuff, you gotta match that energy, man. You gotta get them together. They not acting right. You gotta get them to act right. You gotta make them. They may need a factory reset every now and then, just like our devices, man. You know what I'm saying? Your phone may be running a little slow. You know what I mean? You might have to clear it out, factory reset it. That's the same thing with people. You might have to clear it out, factory reset, get them back right. That's what you got to do sometimes. I mean, you know, nobody come to work and want to do that. You know what I mean? You know, nobody looking for it. Nobody don't want to have to do that, but it needs to happen sometimes. Some people need that factory reset, especially if they thinking they running the show. You ain't running nothing over here. That's a fact, man. But anyway, I mean, I get them like a 2 out of. They get like a 2 out of 5. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I like the one officer when he came out and helped the other dude, you know, explain something, and then all right, let's go. We not about to sit here and he on point. Everybody else, nah. So they get a 2 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.